Okay.
This is part of it right here.
Okay. Ooh, spooky. He doesn't have batteries yet. We gotta get some batteries. Yeah, I'm filming. We gotta do it fast because this takes.
These are some of it. Now get out in the yard now. As you can see, I have witch fingers.
You are kind of witchy. There's a dog toy.
And this is our graveyard.
Ooh, spooky.
Now, if you want, I'll turn up the music and you can hear it. Grandma.
No, we can hear the music just fine.
Can?
Uh-huh.
No, I just want to. Now, come here.
Oh, hey, look at that. Look at that witch.
Okay, what do I plug in the witch?
Hit her, or hit the tray.
Tray?
Like, touch the tray.
Needs to get plugged.
She's on. Witchy. Witchy, witchy.
And
She's pretty cool, huh?
here.
She's got big boobs, too.
Here are some ghosties.
Yeah.
And this is a spider.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now you can see the mailbox.
Oh, yeah.
No, I want them to come with the spiders.
I'm not going all the way out there.
Can't really do a spot.
Well, hold on.
Welcome to my home, my little victims. My little friends.
Happy Halloween!
Put him as far away from our bedroom as possible because, well, hello, Bear Bear. Because he wakes us up at night. I love this witch. She's awesome. Hi, Witchy.